close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
Welcome everyone to my 2004 Lexus GX470. Hey, what's up everyone? I traded my 2009 Audi A5 for this 2004 Lexus GX470, and let me tell you, this was a great deal. Let me explain to you why. First off, it came with brand new Toyota OEM TRD 4Runner wheels. I love the gunmetal. These are the ones I'd pick. He also has some Bridgestone Revo 3 tires with pretty good tread. They probably about 5,000 miles on them. Also, brand new Eibach 3-inch lift with alignment. So those are just the starters for what's really good. I really love how this looks. Also, I live in Northeast Ohio, but this one came from California. So there is absolutely... Alright, sorry, camera kind of screwed up. I keep touching the mode wheel and it keeps stop recording, but there's absolutely no rust on this thing. I'm not sure if this is actually showing up in the light here, but when he brought it here a year ago from California, he had it undercoated. So everything is looking really nice.
And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.
As I was saying, this is not a daily driver for me, so the minor coolant leak, not a big issue right now. Keep an eye on it to make sure everything's fine. Everyone knows this 2U ZFE engine is damn near indestructible as long as you take care of the maintenance on it. Did say the time belt was replaced back in 2014 at 72,000 miles. It has 141,000. That's why I did the time belt and everything, just to make sure it was done. Really wasn't that hard to do. There's great YouTube videos on how to do it. I followed it step by step. Fairly, if you're mechanically inclined and get into stuff a little bit, you know, it works pretty well. I did do the Asian kit, or however you say that, and I did mark that up there. So overall, yeah, negatives are is plastic so far. Let's get to kind of other little issues this thing has. So, when I was checking out the car, the air conditioning on the driver's side blew hot, passenger side and rear blew cold. He said he checked the actuators, replaced the passenger actuator. I did the test in the navigation unit, and it said the driver actuator is bad. So, driver actuator is just located right behind this panel. Super easy to get to. I actually didn't take that panel off. I just took this one down, was looking up in there. He never plugged it back in. I plugged the actuator in, worked. Now I have cold air, so that was great. Does have this, I don't know if you can see it in the thing, if there's a crack in the wood here. Not a very big deal. It's still kind of dirty. I haven't had a chance to detail it yet because I was doing all the maintenance. So I actually did the front, all the diff fluid and the transmission fluid on this thing, because who knows, there's no record of it. So I did all that, so I do have some money into this, making it reliable. Another little issue is it's the gray leather. I like tan, but nothing's like per se ripped, but it's all kind of wore. I mean, not terribly worn. Backs are all in pretty good shape. Rear seats, fairly good shape. I did shampoo the carpets, both rear carpets, yesterday. Got out some stains. I didn't do the floor or anything, just the floor mats. You know, back seats look like they weren't used a ton. I'm just gonna get it cleaned up a little bit. You know, back door cards are in really good shape. No rust at all in this thing. You know, the GX has a swinging door, which I like and don't like. I don't like it because when I have a bike rack on here, you can't open that thing, even with the bike rack tilted forward. This one does have the third row, which I'm gonna take these out and weigh them, just leave them out because I don't need them. Carpet, I did clean this carpet up last night too, and that stain isn't as bad, but I mean, it cleaned up okay. You can tell someone was shoving a bunch of bigger items in here at one time, which is being used, which okay by me, because I'm probably doing the same thing. This is, like I said, an extra vehicle, not a main vehicle. So, oh yeah, the previous owner did replace all the bulbs with LED ones, every single one. So if we get in here, mostly everything works. See, 141,320.
Waiting for pairing.
No check engine lights. But this screen is pink. And the navigation quit working. It just sits here with a spinning disc. It worked the day I drove it home. Doesn't work now. Not a big deal. I always use my phone for my maps. What's really weird though is if you go to audio or climate, all the colors are good. If you go to the display here and do the little thing, I don't know if it's going to go into it in this screen, but maybe it's just with the key on, I don't know. Well, you do that and basically go to the color code. The color in the just the main screen itself is perfect. The color in the navigation and backup camera is pink. So the screen's fine. There's some connection somewhere. Not sure if anyone knows anything about how to fix that, but you know, is what it is. Not a huge deal. I might get the Grom VL2 to put Apple CarPlay in there, and then won't have to worry about that. Like I said, no check engine lights. Runs fine. He did put that little, Bluetooth radio adapter, which is okay. The rear air is deleted, so don't have to worry about that being an issue. Can't see it here, but the couple of LEDs from 0 to 30 is dim, so that needs fixed. I might actually just send it out to get that done because I don't really want to mess with that. Might just take the cluster out, send it out to get repaired. Maybe see if they could change the colors. If they could change the colors, it'd be kind of cool to blue or something. Yeah, I mean, there's a million videos on GX470s. Just wanted to show you mine, and I'll go in more depth. There's some, wear and tear here. I'll do like a more in-depth video. Everything works. Center diff lock works. That's definitely one thing to check if you're getting them. It has, I don't know what to see. What does that do? Oh, there's just the compass on and off, and the mirror to auto dim. Moonroof works. Yeah, everything works. 17 miles per gallon. I'm sure you can see that, but not too bad. I drive kind of slow, but I will do some maybe off-road or slip test videos. I mean, there's a million videos on GX470s. I just know everyone loves seeing other people's, what they have going on with theirs. Their thoughts. Like cup holders suck. You have the rear DVD. Cup holders suck. There's not much storage in this thing. But yeah, 141,000 miles, almost no issues. Drives great. I'm actually hoping I'll keep this car a long time, which I usually don't do. I had the Audi A5 for 9 months, but that car wasn't intended to keep around and forever, because it was a little two-door. I have kids. Just even as a second car, just didn't really enjoy it too much. So this is great. I'll post maybe some drive-by rolling shots or something, and you guys can kind of check it out and Let me know what you think, and if you know anything about this pink screen, because that's just, that kind of bothers me. So, have a good one, guys. If you want to see more videos, the GX, let me know. I will try to make more here within the next couple months.